Let's move on to the next presentation. Glorious Bygone by Glorious Bygone Private Limited. Please give a warm round of applause.
Venerable Mahasangha, distinguished guests, our project is Glorious Bygone. Before we go into details of our solution, let's have a quick overview. If you look at Sri Lanka Tourism Board, they mainly promote Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa, Sigiriya and Kandy as the archaeologically rich cities. Whereas there are plenty of undiscovered, unpromoted cities in Sri Lanka, even that we Sri Lankan we are not aware of. For example, can you guess what and where the world first tank is? World first Dagaba is. Many of us are mainly unknown. World first tank is Basavakkulam in Sri Lanka. World first Dagaba is Girihandusaya in Sri Lanka. As a result of this unawareness, out of the tourists coming to Sri Lanka, only 2.2 are cultural tourists. Whereas this figure could increase further if we promote these hidden treasures in an informative and attractive manner. Therefore, we propose Glorious Bygone, a one-stop web portal for cultural tourists. There we try to promote Sri Lanka in a different angle. This is one study we have done. Let's assume a tourist coming to as you all know, Sri Lankan tourism is highly seasonal and centered to few locations. For example, the tourists arrive in Colombo in August, will directly go to Kandy to see the Kandy Perahera. So he will spend nearly $400 per day. Whereas with Glorious Bygone in the market, the tourists know more places to visit. Not only in the August, so the tourists coming to Kandy will stop at Galle and visit Sabaragamu area to see the other places and may spend another $300 for additional 3 nights. This way, we could break the tourism seasonality in Sri Lanka. Also, the tourism income can be distributed among other areas of the Sri Lanka. More tourism for villages mean more infrastructure, more hotels. Ultimately, it will create more employment job opportunities. To arrive at this situation, Glorious Bygone has to position correctly. Our main stakeholder is cultural tourist. Therefore, him to gain more content, the crowd need to include more content. This is a crowdsourced content, whereas the content authors write the content and domain expert will verify them. Since the launch of the Glorious Bygone, below hidden highlights were discovered by the internal researchers as well as from crowd. It is amazing us to see that we have more than 120 museums in Sri Lanka, more than 33 perahera performed with more than 15 elephants. Then advancement of historical irrigation, list of Ambalan, list of Walau, tomb, ancient cemeteries, and etc. The remarkable fact is that this is just few points from our growing content. Few of our promotional plans for the next few months. We will be promoting primitive accounting system on World Accounting Day, early methods of power generation on Energy Day, ethnic love affairs on Valentine Day, historical irrigation on World Water Day, ancient law on World Law Day. We start this from the Sri Lanka and hoping to go beyond seas, not limiting to single country, religion or culture. Glorious Bygone is a startup selected by the Spiralation Initiative of the Industry Development Program of ICT Agency. With the grant, we have achieved more than 300 crowd to put content. We have regional representative. We have employed 5 domain experts. Also, for every Sunday, we send a very valuable alert for dialogue users. Also, we took part in Infotel 2014. We have selected Isabimani as well as Manthan. Thank you.